OnePlus Nord series has always been the best mid-range series. Till now we have seen the 3 phones in it. Now OnePlus Nord 4 is about to get official. Some official renders of phone has surfaced online as it can be seen here. OnePlus Nord 4 is having this nice looking design at rear side with 2 camera sensors. The camera sensors are placed on this camera island and we can see a circular LED flashlight below them. Primary sensor of Nord 4 will be 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization and second one will be 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor. Phone is having volume and power buttons on right side and a ringer on left side as always been on OnePlus phones. Overall the phone's design is boxy. Just like the trend set we have seen nowadays, every phone brand is following, which is great step though. Some says that Nord 4 is expected to be a rebranded Ace 3V. From front side the phone is having flat display with really minimum bezels. This display is said to be AMOLED 6.74 inches with 120Hz refresh rate and 2150 peak brightness. OnePlus Nord 4 is having 16 megapixel selfie shooter in a center punch hole design. Talking about the processor, then it will have the best performing chipset of 7 series from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. Nord 4 will have 5500 mAh of battery with for sure fast charging support. And phone will be running on Android 14 with Oxygen OS 14 out of the box. That's all for the OnePlus Nord 4. I guess this might be the best mid-range phone. We can't really say that it is mid-range as it is having flagship level chipset so little above mid-range. Anyways, make sure to stay tuned for more updates and I'll see you in the next one.